Everyday people are using more and more data to store their important photos, videos, documents and files. Nowadays, encountering the theft or loss of a partition can be a distressing and disruptive experience. Are you experiencing the frustration of a lost partition issue? Whether you're on a Mac or Windows system, various factors can lead to partition loss. Don't worry, because in this video we're going to show you top 6 best partition recovery software in 2023. We have shortlisted top 6 data recovery software available in 2023 with considering its features, user review and our personal experience. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Partition data loss can occur due to a variety of factors, both accidental and intentional. Understanding the potential causes of partition data loss is crucial for taking preventive measures and ensuring the safety of our valuable data. Some common reasons for partition data loss are accidental deletion, file system corruption, virus and malware attacks, hardware failures and power outages. 4DDIG Data Recovery is an all-in-one professional data recovery software that helps users retrieve any kind of lost data in Windows and Mac OS. It can recover 2,000+ file types including photos, videos, documents, and audios. 4DDIG Data Recovery supports various data recovery scenarios such as accidental deletion, formatting, lost partition, corruption, crashed system, virus attack, and so on. Deep Scan option for in-depth scanning is available. After scanning, you can preview the file for recovery selection. Stellar Phoenix Windows Data Recovery offers various useful utilities to help you recover data from different types of physical drives. It supports different data recovery tasks such as recovery of file from internal and external hard drives, USB drives and other removable media including SD cards. You can even recover data from different operating systems such as Windows 8, Windows 10, and Mac OS. Disk Drill Data Recovery helps you to recover your deleted files on Windows and Mac OS, including Office documents, archives, and media files, quickly and easily. Disk Drill Data Recovery is a simple free data recovery software that restores deleted files from hard disk drives, external USB drives, or any kind of storage media. This data recovery software offers a free data recovery of up to 500 MB. MiniTool Power Data Recovery software can recover any lost files from laptop, HDD, SSD, USB drive, memory card and more. Quick data recovery from desktop, recycle bin and specific folder. You can recover data from various data loss situations such as deletions, formatting errors, OS crashes, virus attacks, etc. It supports 100+ types of files including photos, videos, audios, documents and more. This tool supports both Windows and Mac OS. TestDisk is powerful free data recovery software. It was primarily designed to help recover lost partitions and make non-booting disks bootable again when these symptoms are caused by faulty software. This data recovery tool is open source software and it offers 2 solutions. First is data recovery and it can also repair corrupted partitions. DiskInternals partition recovery software comes with a built-in 3 scanning modes: partition, FAT, and NTFS recovery. Software UI is very simple and limitation is it only support Windows OS. DiskInternals recovery also offers free preview for data recovery. In terms of data recovery rate, features and user experience, we strongly recommend 4DDIG Data Recovery now. Let's see how to use 4DDIG Data Recovery to recover lost data in 3 steps. 4DDIG Data Recovery software is the easiest and most comprehensive method to recover any deleted or lost partition. This professional data recovery tool can recover any formatted, deleted, lost, corrupt, or damaged files from Windows, Mac, SD card, USB drives, internal hard drive, external hard drive, digital cameras, and more. It supports 2,000 plus data types including photos, videos, audio, documents, and more with simply 3 steps. To recover deleted or lost files with 4DDIG, download and install the program on your system. Launch the software and select a file path or location where you lost or deleted files were stored and click Start to proceed. Ensure that you choose all file types. 4DDIG will then scan your hard drive to locate lost or deleted files. After scanning, switch from Tree View to File View to locate your files. Select desired files you want to recover and click Recover to save them to a different partition. So, these are the top 6 best partition recovery software in 2023. Remember, 4DDIG Data Recovery is your trusted ally for rescuing those precious corrupted or lost files. We truly hope this video has been valuable to you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.